All right, Scott, we didn't have anything like that rain the last couple of days, but a lot of rain over on the East Coast the last couple of days.
Yeah, and it's still there, and it is moving north. We're going to talk about that in a little bit because it's really an intense storm system out there, and it's not affecting us. But if you are traveling that way, especially if you're flying to the Northeast tomorrow, you're going to know it. We've got some chances for rain in our forecast and mild temperatures after tomorrow.
Good.
Let's take a look at the almanac and see how we did today. 52 was our high temperature, 40 is the normal high. So we did pretty well. 28 the low this morning. Normal low is 21. 68 the record high, that back in 1939. 15 below zero. That's what it was in 1880. Try this again, Scott. 1981. Don't want to threaten that one. No rain today. We are still about 6 inches below normal for the year. And as we look at skies, we've got clear skies tonight. As we look at radar, you got to go clear over into Illinois to find some clouds. And we're going to stay clear overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. 36 is our temperature. That's officially out at Rosecrans Airport. The dew point is 30, humidity 79%. Winds are out of the north-northwest at 9, and the barometer is rising. And around northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas right now, basically everybody is in the mid to upper 30s. So 36 here in St. Joseph, same thing in Cameron and Chillicothe, 37 at Trenton, 35 up at Maryville, 36 at Rockport, 34 at Falls City. And we're going to be in them, well, say close to around 30 tonight. As we take a look at where our winds are, they're coming out of the northwest, and they're going to get gusty as we go through the night tonight. They're not really gusty yet, but they will be as we go through the night tonight, and especially through the first part of the day tomorrow. So we look at how it's going to play out overnight. We're at 36 right now under clear skies, and we're going to keep the clear skies as we go through the night, but we're also going to keep a northwest breeze. And again, it's going to get gusty. It's going to get cool down to the upper 20s for an overnight low. 27 our overnight low here in St. Joseph, and as you can see, basically upper 20s everywhere overnight tonight. Now, as we look ahead, tomorrow's going to be a cold day. We're going to have a wind out of the northwest, especially in the morning. We're only going to get up to 38 tomorrow. Our normal high is 40. But look what happens after that. 45 on Tuesday, 54 on Wednesday, and then 57 Thursday and Friday. And those 50s continue into the weekend. Around the Midwest, pretty much seasonable temperatures right now with 30s and 40s for the most parts, cold up in the Rockies, but basically pretty nice weather. Around the country, two spots to talk about. A little bit of moisture coming in off the Pacific Ocean, but let's look at this over here because this is what the story was about you saw just a moment ago. This is an impressive storm system, and in fact I was reading about it earlier today down in Florida, and the barometric pressure there, this is unofficial at this point, they got to verify it. It looks like it set a record low for barometric pressure this morning in Florida as that storm was getting wrapped up down there. So it's going to be moving up, bringing a lot of rain to the northeast. For us, clear skies are going to stay that way. We do have some chances of rain though as we go through the week. So clear skies tonight down to 27, gusty north-northwest wind. Tomorrow, sunny skies, still a gusty north wind, especially in the morning. The winds will decrease in the afternoon. 38 is our high temperature tomorrow. And then as we look ahead, 45 on Tuesday, going to be breezy, but that breeze is going to come at us out of the south. Then we warm up into the 50s, clear through Christmas Eve. Look at that, 56. So we got a 40% chance of rain Thursday afternoon, goes up to a 50% chance Thursday night, down to a 30% chance Friday morning. And then another chance for rain Saturday night into Christmas Eve Sunday, but very mild temperatures, and it looks like that's going to also continue through Christmas Day.